everybody. Today what we're going to be learning about is Email Etiquette 101. We're going to learn how to write a professional email to your teachers, future employers, or to anybody you want to impress. So let's get started. There are several major components of a professional email. Those are who it's to, the subject, the greeting, the content of your message, the closing of your message, and then we're going to learn how to check them to make sure that we haven't made any mistakes. So what should you include in your email? This is like the title of your email. What's in the subject line? What we should be including in our subject line is something specific about what the message is about, right? Some sample subjects would include the following messages: Wednesday night's homework, test questions, concerns about a group project. Do not include your message in the subject line. Oftentimes when you guys are sending your teachers emails, you include the entire body of the message in the subject line. We want to try to avoid this when we're writing emails. Then we go ahead and move into our greeting. So this is how we will start our messages. Be polite and friendly when you start your messages. Some possible greeting ideas to include, but are not limited to hello, hello, Mrs. Tatum, hello, exclamation point, or hi, and whoever you're sending the email to. The next thing, which is the more lengthy part of our email, is the content, which is what is the purpose of our message. Make sure that you are as polite and respectful throughout your message. If you have a question or need something, be as specific as possible and give details. And you can include the sentence, I am writing to, in order to state the purpose of your message. Last, we want to end with a closing, which is to usually thank the person you emailed for their time. You want to end with a closing mark similar to the one of the following ideas, which is like thank you or sincerely. And then always make sure to sign your name or use an email signature. Before you send your message, make sure that you do one last final check. Is your email ready to send? Make sure you read over your message carefully to look for any possible errors or mistakes. Once you send a message, you likely cannot undo it in the future. If you need to include a link or attachment, make sure you have included it or attached it. Be patient while waiting for a person to respond. Do not send a follow-up message until it has been at least 2 to 3 days since you sent your original message. And what we're going to do next is you're going to practice looking at emails and figuring out what parts are missing.